The memonizerCOMBI is simply plugged into a wall socket. The glow of the blue diode under the memon logo shows that the socket is live and can be used. If the memonizerCOMBI cannot be plugged into the wall socket vertically, the memonizer can also be turned 90 degrees horizontally. To do this, the connector can be rotated 360 degrees. Once you have found a suitable wall socket and position, remove the protective film from the adhesive ring. Plug the memonizerCOMBI into the socket and press the memonizer firmly onto the socket. That's it. If the blue light is too bright for you, you can peel off the adhesive film from the light stop card and stick it over the memon logo.